Nafis, sweetheart, go for it.
Yes. Hi everyone. Very, very good evening to to everyone, each one of you. And I'm so happy for this opportunity. First thing, I'm not feeling well actually since 2 days. I have some cold and cough issues and all stuff. And this is the first time. This is a testimony which I really wanted to give. That this is the first time I didn't go to doctor because and my husband is back of me every time he's messaging me, let's go to doctor, but I'm not going to the doctor. I am just experimenting on myself that how I'm going to heal through Healy only, and it is fantastic. Rather, this is like totally I was infected from inside. I had cough and cold, and I had very bad like you'll have that all those phlegm inside, and you'll feel very irritated. So but completely I am just running programs for myself because it's quite severe, rather from 2 days, but I'm going to office, I'm working, and I'm not at all feeling as if because I think cold is one of the frustrating disease in the world, I feel. Because the other things it's fine, but you should not get cold and cough, it's very irritating. But rather, yes, I am very energized and everything is going on smoothly in spite of me having this cold. So this is the first thing which I really want to tell, that yes, you need to believe that, because prior to this also I had few issues. I had fever and all last month, but I took medicine. I didn't believe Healy. I just took medicine. But this time I was completely dependent on Healy, and it is getting cured. Now I am all right. Now I think it's been 48 hours. At last I am feeling very better now. So I am basically a corporate a person. Like it's been 15 years I've been working for corporates, and I have two teenagers. Like my kids are in teens, and also I am a healer and a life coach. So I completely believe in this thing that yes, of course, your mindset works, and the more you are into it, the more you should believe it, that it is going to work on your mind, soul, and body. And that's how it is actually working on me also. Because being in corporate, especially when you reach one age, it is not that easy to deal with people in office. It's not at all easy, believe me. And nowadays the generation has changed, the world has changed. It's more competitive, it's more technological, more digital, and if you have to fit yourself in that scenario, and you have to even get along with the people around you. And Healy has come into my life, and it's perfectly right time actually, because I believe in it. Every time, whatever life coaching might have happened, healing might have happened, I've become healer. Everything was coming on right time. And again, healing has also come into right time. And when you believe in God strongly, God will bring the right things in your life to just make you stable, to make you feel that, yes, this is for you. Now you need this. Maybe 2 years back, I needed life coaching. So I did in 2021, I did my life coaching course, and then I became Ho'oponopono healer. At that time, I needed Ho'oponopono. And then, after all those things, when I started believing in this journey, healing has come into my life. So that's how God will get connected with you through one or other thing which you have to strongly believe in. And I think this is the way healing has got connected to me, and I have got connected to God. Again, it has been proven, hence proved, actually. So thank you so much. I would like to give thanks to Renuka. She's a life coach community friend. I would like to give a big thanks and big hug to Ashwini. She's always been so supportive. Every moment, every second, she's there with me. Whatever questions, silly questions I ask, I'm a that kind of a person only. I have Khushbu also with me. She knows me, and the way I used to irritate Shilpa Singh, she's my life coach, she's my mentor. I used to ask silly questions to her during my life coaching sessions also, during my Ho'oponopono sessions also. Same thing I did with Ashwini also. She's been so hand-holding person. Yes, community is beautiful. Completely hand-holding is there. And I am learning a lot. And I'm sure this is something which is going to bring only and only growth in my life. So thank you so much, Lena, for giving me this opportunity to share my experience. And everybody should have, yes, as I think someone, I forgot the name, I think Dr. Sheetal has mentioned, every family should have one Healy in their life. Right now, yes, it is needed. Much needed. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nafis. I just love your energy and aura. And it is so beautiful, so powerful, and very truly said that